Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As you know, this week is the breastfeeding uh, promotion and celebration day, a week, and we need to ensure that all our mothers are breastfeeding and our children are safe and healthy because of the breastfeeding. I would like to thank Shahid Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto Medical University for giving me this opportunity to address you. And I would like to appreciate all the work that is being done by Vice Chancellor, Ms. Nusrat Shah, and all the faculty, the students, the parents, and all the staff that is working in Shahid Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto Medical University. I'd like to appreciate the fact that we are working towards ensuring maternal health. Also, we are ensuring that the maternal mortality rates are reduced, infant mortality rate is reduced, and child mortality rate is reduced. With these targets in mind, we need to promote breastfeeding. As you know, breastfeeding is one of the major elements in ensuring that there is no malnutrition, that babies are nourished and healthy, and they do not suffer from any infections and diseases. As you know, the first hour after birth is very critical, and the child should be placed on the mother's breast and should be fed mother's milk because it's rich in cholesterol, which is obviously rich in antibodies, which ensure baby's immunity. And it is also very, very critical because it's not only for the health of the baby during the first 5 years, but I think throughout life, the children who are fed on mother's milk are much more cognitively better. They're also healthier and they do not suffer from a lot of other diseases as well. Because there's more bonding between mother and child during this period of breastfeeding, they are much more socially stable, they are socially more mature, and also this affects their growth, their social behavior, their immunity against diseases. So it is a very critical period during the first 5 years, and at least 2 years of breastfeeding, and then obviously after 6 months, weaning foods should be ensured. Thank you very much for having me here and letting me talk to you about mother's milk. And I feel that our responsibility as doctors is to promote breast milk and to promote our children's health. Thank you very much.